Here at OriginLab, we are proud to announce the release of Origin and Origin Pro 2026. Today I'll highlight some of the new features. This release includes enhancements to the worksheet, data import process, and faster performance, along with new tools for graphical creation and improved ease of use. We have also expanded our collection of plot types and downloadable apps. With the new flash fill and smart formula features, you can quickly extract text and numbers from a text column. It is available by pop-up or by the hotkeys Ctrl-Shift-E and Ctrl-Shift-Enter. The Find in Project Files option has been added to make browsing for your project file contents much easier. Use string search to scan multiple project files and efficiently locate relevant data, graphs, measurement devices, and other key project assets. Origin worksheets now support Excel cell formulas, allowing you to import and continue working with your Excel sheets in Origin. Origin's data connectors now have the option to periodically refresh. This allows you to automatically update your datasets, analyses, and graphs with new data on a defined interval. New hotkeys let you quickly repeat your last actions and apply your most recent analysis operations across multiple datasets. There is also a new duplicate operation option to rerun analysis operations on data in other sheets. A new graph maker has been added in Origin 2026. It has improved grouping support and support for multiple graph panels and pages. A new graphical summary tool has been added, which allows you to create interactive charts to clearly view your data. Speed improvements have been made to column vector calculations, search functions, and the saving of large projects. Here are the new graph types available in Origin 2026. Cause and effect diagram, frequency chart, double X, decision tree, stem and leaf plot, grouped histogram, grouped Pareto chart, grouped scatter plot, improved grouped column chart, and conclusion chart. Origin 2026 introduces a number of new apps, including 3 new types of data connectors, fitting and analysis tools, and further improvements to our existing apps such as the design of experiments and statistical process control apps. Here are some other features included in 2026. To learn more about our exciting new features, please visit originlab.com/2026. Thank you.